Hello scholars, I hope you all are fit and fine. So welcome scholars to our online classes for GK. So scholars, let's see the exercise given on page number 1, that is Incredible India. Here, read the question carefully and tick right the correct answer. What percent of the world's total land area is occupied by India? The answer is 2.4%. Let me tell you scholars, as India occupies 2.4% of world's total land, but it supports 16% of the world's population. Now let's move to our next question. Which of these seas lies to the east of India? The answer is Bay of Bengal. Now our question number 3 is, which state in India has the largest area under forest cover? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. You know scholars, Madhya Pradesh has the largest area under forest cover, followed by Arunachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Orissa and Maharashtra. And you know what? Haryana is having the lowest. Now scholars, see next question. Our question number 4 is, which state in India is the leading producer of saffron? The answer is Jammu and Kashmir. You know scholars, in India around 5,707 hectares of land comes under the saffron cultivation, and it is the third highest producer of saffron in the world. Now question number 5 is, which is the southernmost point of India where the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean meet? This is Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari is our southernmost point of India. Now question number 6 is, which was the first state in India to be created on the basis of language? The answer is Andhra Pradesh. Now our next question is, Hemis National Park, which is the biggest national park in India, is situated in Ladakh. Hemis National Park is situated in eastern part of Ladakh, the Union Territory of the Republic of India. It is the largest national park in South Asia, spread over 4,400 square kilometers. The park is the home of 16 mammal and 73 bird species. It is the home to many endangered animals, including the snow leopard, Asiatic ibex, Tibetan wolf and Eurasian brown bear. Now scholars, let's see the next exercise. So scholars, on page number 2, it is given world superlatives. Answer these questions using the words given in the help box. So our first question is, which is the largest continent in the world? I hope you know this answer. The answer is Asia. Now our question number 2, which is the longest mountain range in the world? The answer is Andes Mountains. Here scholars, let me tell you, the world's longest above water mountain range is the Andes, about 7,000 kilometers long. The range stretches from north to south through 7 countries in South America. This list does not include submarine, that is the undersea mountain ranges. If submarine mountains are included, so the longest is the global mid-ocean ridge system, which extends for about 16,000 kilometers. So scholars, Now see question number 3. Which is the highest mountain range in the world? I hope you know the answer. The answer is Himalayas. Now question number 4 is, which country is the largest in the world? The answer is Russia. Russia is the largest country by far, with a total area of about 17 million square kilometers. Despite its large area, Russia has a relatively small total population, around 146 million. Now let's see question number 5. Which is the world's smallest continent? Yes, you are right. The answer is Australia. In terms of land area, the continent of Australia is the world's smallest continent. Our question number 6 is, which is the highest waterfall in the world? The answer is Angel Falls. Angel Falls, also known as Salto Angel, in Venezuela is the highest waterfall in the world, with a height of 3,230 feet, with an uninterrupted drop of 2,647 feet. Now question number 7. Which is the world's largest island? The answer is Greenland. Now question number 8. Which is the biggest and deepest ocean on the earth? The answer is Pacific Ocean. You know, scholar, the Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest of the world ocean basins, covering approximately 63 million square miles and containing more than half of the free water on earth. Now question number 9 is, which ocean is called the warmest ocean on the earth? Indian Ocean is the warmest ocean in the world, and you know, scholars, which is the coldest ocean? The Arctic Ocean is the coldest as well as the smallest ocean in the world. Now our question number 10 is, which highest plateau is also known as the roof of the world? The answer is Tibetan Plateau. So scholars, now we'll do the exercise given on page number 3. Here we have to write the answers of the following questions in the blanks. It is related to the capitals, currencies and languages of the countries. So let's see question number 1. Which country's capital is Abu Dhabi and the currency is dirham? The answer is UAE, that is United Arab Emirates. Here we have to write the official language of this country also, that is Arabic. Now we'll move to our next question. Name the country whose capital is Paris and the currency is Euro. Answer is France. The capital of France is Paris and the official language of this country is French. Now our next question is, the capital of which country is Moscow and the currency is ruble? So our answer is Russia and the official language of this country is Russian. Now let's see question number 4. Which country's capital is Brasilia and the currency is real? The answer is Brazil and the official language of this country is Portuguese. Now let's see question number 5. Our question number 5 is, name the country whose capital is Jakarta and the currency is rupiah. Our answer is Indonesia and the official language of this country is Indonesian. Now question number 6. Which country's capital is Beijing and the currency is yuan? Here our answer is China and the official language of this country is Mandarin. Now let's see question number 7. Our question number 7 is, name the country whose capital is Seoul and the currency is won. Our answer is South Korea. And the official language of this country is Korean. Now let's see our last question in this segment, that is, which country's capital is Bangkok and the currency is Baht. The country is Thailand and the official language of this country is Thai. Now we have completed the exercises on page number 3. Now we'll move to our next page. Scholars, the exercise given on page number 4 is related to the topic Union Territories. It is a crossword puzzle, so you will solve this crossword puzzle yourself with the help of these clues, and then you can check these from the answers given in the PDF in the link below. So scholars, now it's time to wind up. We'll meet in our next video. Goodbye, stay safe, stay healthy.